All right, ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. All right, sir, are you the foreman of the jury?
Yes, sir.
It's my understanding that the jury has reached a verdict.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Is it a unanimous verdict?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has it been reduced to writing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you signed and dated it as the foreman of the jury?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if you would please hand the verdict form to the bailiff. I'm going to ask that the deputy clerk publish the verdict.
In the Superior Court of Liberty County, State of Georgia, case number 2024R-67, State of Georgia versus Nicholas James Kassotis. Count 1, malice murder, guilty. Count 2, felony murder, guilty. Count 3, aggravated assault, guilty. Count 4, concealing death of another, guilty. Count 5, possession of a knife during the commission of a felony, guilty. Count 6, possession of a tool for the commission of a crime, guilty. Count 7, possession of a tool for the commission of a crime, guilty. Count 8, possession of a tools for the commission of the crime, guilty. Count 9, possession of a tool for the commission of a crime, guilty. Count 10, possession of tools for the commission of the crime, guilty. Count 11, removal of the body parts from the scene of the death, guilty. Count 12, tampering with evidence, guilty. On this 14th day of August 2025.
Do the attorneys wish to see the verdict to make sure that it's in proper form?
No, Your Honor.
Are there any objections to the form of the verdict?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Are there any other requests before we go into another hearing?
No request from the defense, Your Honor.
If I can just have one moment, Your Honor. Nothing concerning the jury, Your Honor.
All right. And does either side wish to place anything on the record before I excuse the jury?
No, Your Honor, and I also don't seek to poll, just for the record.
Nothing from the defense, Your Honor.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, we've been here almost 2 weeks, and I wish to thank each and every one of you for your service. It is one of the highest forms of civic duty that any citizen can render to this state and this country, and we cannot resolve important cases like this without your willingness to serve. You've been diligent. You've been here every morning on time. You've been taking notes. You have done excellent work as a juror in this case, and it is sincerely appreciated, not only by me, but everybody involved in the criminal justice system. Your duty ends at this point, and I'm going to have to go into a sentencing hearing. There is one other thing that I do want to mention to you. I think you knew at the outset that this case was going to be televised, live streamed through various media outlets, and I want you to know that you have a right as a juror and as a private citizen. People may want to talk to you about this. Well, at this point, you can talk about it if you want to. That's totally within your discretion. It's my understanding that some of the media outlets may be outside. They may want to speak to you. That's solely up to you. I have no control over that. That's up to you. So when you see individuals who might be with the press or other outlets, that if you want to speak to them, that's fine. And if you don't want to speak to them, that's also fine. So there's nothing else I can tell you other than I sincerely appreciate your hard work in this case. I wish you well, and you are excused at this time. Thank you very much. Yes, ma'am. Everyone, please be seated. And I want to tell four of you, thank you very much for your service. The reason we select alternates is someone who is sick or not able to perform their duties as a juror, you would have filled in. But your work was also very helpful to the court. Thank you very much. And you're free to go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be in recess for about 10 minutes, and then we will begin the sentencing hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor.